Let's take a deep breath for a time of meditation, just to allow ourselves a soft space to land, a space to integrate, the space of becoming, the space of realizing what we have become. It is safe to enter this space. We are inlets and outlets of all that is God, the flow of life coming to us, in us, through us, as us, circulating from us. We are receivers and we are givers. We are one with the flow of life itself. We take a deep breath in. And we let go. Right here in this now moment. We acknowledge there is no place to go to get more God. All Godness is right here, right now. Let me be awake, let me be aware. I honor the unearthing, whether it feels like a seismic shift in the tectonic plates of my life, or whether it feels like this growth is so slow I can hardly detect the shift. Like a new bud on a tree, where from the tip of the limb, green slowly begins to emerge. But even if I stand there staring for a day, I can't see any change. I just know it's coming. So for all of those areas in our lives where we feel like change is too fast or too slow, we trust the process. With a deep inhale and exhale, we own the process. I invite us to breathe into these words and make them our own. This is the abundance prayer from Tosha Silver. And as I share this prayer, I open up to feeling each word and interpreting them, and shifting this prayer to where we are right now in this moment. Divine, beloved, great source of this infinite universe, heart of all hearts. Allow me to give with complete ease and abundance, knowing the truth of the unlimited source of all. Let me be an easy, open conduit for abundance and prosperity. Let me be of my nature, like a river flowing, like a plant growing, like the sun setting and the moon rising. Let me trust that all of my own needs are always met in amazing ways, and it is safe to give freely as my heart guides. Let me listen and move upon your word in my heart. Let me give with spiritual abandon. Let me receive with spiritual confidence. Show me how this goes, how abundance flows to me and from me in mystical ways. Show me what I am, who I am, and how I am. Equally, please let me feel wildly open to receiving. I feel wildly open to receiving. I trust that as I receive, I become wildly open to giving. I am wildly open. May I know my own value, beauty, and worthiness without question. Let me allow others the supreme pleasure of giving to me, and give me the supreme pleasure of being an avenue of good for others. The supreme pleasure of being a channel of source. May I feel worthy to receive in every possible way. Change me, awaken me, transform me, allow me to be what I am, always have been, always will be. In the core of my being, someone who can fully love, forgive, and embrace radical self-acceptance. So I may carry the light without restriction. So I may be the way. I may embody the truth. Let everything that needs to go, go. Let everything that needs to come, come. And let me trust this. I am utterly your own. You are me. I am you. We are one. All is well. Together we honor the silence. The path that brought us to this moment. The wisdom within to guide us through this now moment. Through the sense of unearthing and growth. There is more than enough support for me to be right where I am in this now moment. I call it good. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know they are born blessed and here to be a blessing. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. Namaste.